Hi everybody, welcome to Champion Trading again. What we're showing you today, this is a Kaps All 4-quill cap tightener. So if you're naturally doing under the cap sealing, your caps are a little loose after the heat exposure from doing the sealing, this is the answer. It's running on 120 volt single phase. It has variable speed. It's running at full speed right now. And what we're doing here, we're just operating the DC controllers. And unique feature here, it does have chucks on all four, or clutches on all four of the tightening wheels. Allow you to control your torque. It's in beautiful condition. We do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com. See everything in process and packaging in our inventory. We do hope you'll visit our website, www.champtrading.com.